Yo guys, and welcome to another video. I think a lot of you guys saw in my previous video that I totaled my Corrado. I'm very sad about it. It's now 3.5 weeks ago, something like that. And I was really thinking about my options, man. Thinking about completely restoring that car. That I will do, of course. But I think it will be almost impossible to do it in the time frame that I have. Because in about 6 months the new season will start, the race season, car shows, and I think it's impossible to restore the damage, to rebuild the car including the upgrades that I wanted to do. I think it will be impossible in the time frame. So I was really thinking about the options that I had, like using the shell that I have on the attic. Also that car needs lots of work because it's an empty shell. It is in very good condition, but it's completely empty, so it also needs to be painted and everything. And I was looking on the internet, and by a coincidence I saw an advertisement of a Corrado that was already built by someone else into a race car with an R32. It's a very clean car for what I saw on the pictures. So I messaged the guy, we talked about the price, and yeah, we arranged something. We arranged a price that felt good for the both of us, and it's already like 80% done. Like how I wanted my Corrado to build, and it will save me lots of time, guys. So yeah, we are going to buy another car, guys. It will be Corrado number 3. Holy shit. Yeah, but yeah, Frank and I, we are already on the road. It's more than 2-hour drive. It's in the Netherlands. It's already homologated to an R32. But you guys, I think you guys already know my plans. I will rip out the R32 and convert it into a TDI with the 4Motion swap, and yeah, make the car my own. So we will do some adjustments on the car, but the car has some real potential, guys. So I hope the car is as nice that I saw in the pictures. We are on our way. I'm very excited, and I'm going to take you guys with me. So yeah, man, let's go and check out the car, and let's hope that we can take it with us back to the shop. So yeah, man, let's go. So guys, we arrived at the garage where the Corrado is parked inside. Auto van der Woude, it's called. Yeah, man, let's go check inside. Frank is already inside, so I'm excited, man.
Ja.
Wow.
Nee, ik denk, ik ga eens kijken, want
Ja.
het duurt te lang.
Ja, daar is hij.
Ja, al dik, man. Wat verdorie. Runs very nice. The engine runs very good.
Vind je ervan?
It's white. It's completely something different. Man.
No shit. It's white, the new black.
Yeah. But it has enough space for the big snail.
Skilla.
So yeah, we're going to quickly check the car underneath. But yeah, guy, I like it. What do you think, Frank?
White is the new black.
Show me hoor. Lekker rookje druk.
Oh ja, achter zit hier wel een Uniball.
We hebben een hele eigen frontbalk gemaakt. Dit daar. We hebben een eigen frontbalk gemaakt.
Oh,
We
ja.
made a custom front member, cross member. Dit is ook wel netjes.
Alleen moet je je eigen front erin, je eigen intercooler en zo.
Or maybe I can reuse this and make my own custom gearbox mount for the 0 to M 6 speed. Because they already made the customization on the subframe for the dog bone.
Ja, maar ik bedoel dat je je eigen intercooler en zo hierop
exactly.
moet maken.
Yeah, for sure. But it looks good. Yeah guys, we bought the Corrado. Thank you very much, man. Auto van der Woude, very good service. So yeah, man, let's load it on the trailer.
Verder, verder.
So yeah guys, new project car. So this is going to be our new Corrado project. We're going to swap it into a TDI. We're going to make this car full motion, all-wheel drive, guys. Yeah man. It's like I said before, this car has some real potential. It's already a real race car. What's your opinion, Frank? What do you think about the car?
I need lights.
Where do you? Oh, you need lights here.
Yeah.
Sure,
And here.
yeah. It's because there is no panels.
Oh.
There are no panels inside the door. And also the paint. The paint is in very good condition, guys. And I think even with the 4 caliber big brakes, go away with your hand. I think even with the 4 caliber big brakes, it's even possible to mount 16-inch rims. So I'm going to check if I can mount the 16 inches. I think I will have much more wheel choices. But also this car was originally a G60, and the owner of the car shop here, he's also well known as the name Dutch Wheels. He does a lot of wheel customizations, And I still have my 3-piece Sebring wheels, the original G60 rims, the Sebring wheels, custom made to 3-piece. I have them still in the shop, but I'm still missing the original hubcaps. And the guy told me, oh, I have 4 brand new original hubcaps. So he just went back home, he picked up the hubcaps, and I also bought brand new hubcaps for the Sebring wheels. So yeah, also excited about that. But yeah, guys, very happy with the project. So let's strap the car up, and yeah, let's make our 2.5 hour drive back to my shop. So yeah, man, new project, guys. Let's go home. Guys, we are back in the shop, and what an awesome machine, man. I'm very happy with the purchase of this car, but it's also like completely different if you compare it with the black Corrado. It's still very hard to see the Corrado with the damage. The damage is, yeah, the damage is a lot, guys. Holy shit. And there we have the third Corrado chassis. Just to make it clear, I'm going to completely restore the car. I don't know if it will stay a diesel, because I'm thinking about swapping the engine from the black Corrado in the white one and switch to a different engine setup. So other injectors, nitrous system, bigger turbo, and 4Motion. And I think this chassis is a much better choice to use for a race car, because it's already built as a race car. So it has the big brakes, the AP Racing, also with 330 millimeters brake discs, two-piece brake discs. Lexan windows, split roll cage, very nice roll cage. It also has the FIA approval, and if you see it inside, they also welded the complete chassis. So the chassis is very, very stiff, and also they mounted the roll cage, they welded the roll cage through the engine bay. If you see it right here. So the neighbor is busy with the saw. But yeah, guys, it's a real nice build. So the car really has a lot of potential. I don't want to drive the car completely in white, and the orange is not really my thing. I want to make the car my own, so I was thinking about designing a livery for this car. So different wheels and complete livery from VAG builders, and yeah, of course the TDI and the 4Motion swap, guys. So yeah, I'm excited, man. I'm very excited about the new build. We also did some rearrangements here in the shop. The purple Mark III VR6 is on the attic right now, so we have 3 cars parked on the attic, and we did some cleaning around here. And the Golf of Frank. This weekend we're going to make some changes on the Golf from Frank. A friend of ours, Brian, is coming to completely weld a new custom stainless steel exhaust because the existing exhaust is way too small. It's a real restriction for the car. We're going to switch to a smaller turbo intake manifold. New wiring loom with the R8 coil pack. The R8 coils. And the blue VR6 turbo, I think we will work on it in about 2 weeks. Put back the gearbox with an LSD differential, and I think we will use my old clutch kit because the clutch kit for the Corrado was completely refurbished. And we have still the Mark 1 from Bernard. So like I said in the previous video, this car will be my main priority for right now. We completely cleaned the engine bay, shaved the cowl. It's a very, very nice car, guys. So, yeah man, still lots of work here. I still have lots of problems with my arm, so the productivity here in the shop is a little bit less than you guys are used to. I'm trying to keep the content going. So I think this weekend I will make another video about the yellow Golf. And maybe it's nice to take the Corrado for a spin. I still have to arrange the insurance and everything. But yeah guys, let me know in the comments what you guys think about the new project. And maybe some ideas, share some ideas with me, what you guys would like to see on this car, or changes that you guys think are good for the, that would fit the new project, Corrado project. So yeah guys, again, really want to thank you guys for watching my videos, sharing the passion with you guys, and taking you guys with me on my daily routine here, building the project cars. Yeah man, so thanks a lot for that. So feel free to subscribe, spam that like button if you like the video, if you like the Corrado, and I see you guys in the next one. Ciao.